has to clear for Idaho. Thomas has to clear for that Idaho. I don't care about this Idaho. He said, silly soft stuff won't stop me. Silly soft stuff won't stop me. He said, I wish I had my snowplow. Thomas must clear everyone. Tori, can you put all these popcorns on the line, Tori?
Ziggy, you're not supposed to talk to the camera person.
Oh, wow. Okay, Thomas had to go through the train tunnel. This time was even bigger. Oh my God, said Thomas. I'm not doing this. But he said to himself, I must. He said, I could use those three. Thomas came up. I'll push the snow however I have to. He tried to shove. He shove. Got him. Give me that back, Ray. And stop it. Are you out of your mind? You're making us feel ashamed. You're making us ashamed. You're making us ashamed. Clearer than ever. Thomas late. Cleared a real snow. Yay, we made it. They said in Idaho. Then in the next Idaho, there was lots of more snow. Popcorn did ever he seen. Oh my God, said Thomas. Save me, somebody. This track is so big. This snow is bigger than me. It was 10 feet tall. Well, it must not be. Then Thomas rolled through. I need to make it through. Derailed. First, you have to clear the line. Tom has to clear the line first. Then he can couple of things quite about. Tom has to clear the line. Oh, dumb. I'm dummy. I'm so dumb. Oh, sorry. I can't do this. So, Thomas, this is so hard. Oh. Well, James said, before my purpose food. Oh, no. Thomas. Oh. Well, who thinks they're clever? James said he thinks he's clever. James had to go to Pitman's shed. James had to go to Pitman's shed, but he couldn't. The shed's full of popcorn in the way. The popcorn was in the way of Pitman's shed. See, Tori? It's in front of the shed. James couldn't get in. Couldn't go in. Anything. Somewhere in the doors. Somewhere inside the shed.
Oh no.
Oh no, said James. Don't go in. I have to go in my shed. No, James. They're full of popcorn. I have to go in my shed. He said, raced into his shed and hit popcorn. Hey, why am I being popped? Oh man, I should go first thing. Thomas, James has to go out. Who is that? I said he didn't know who it is because he was behind the popcorn. Oh, Mama, save me! James said, "Who is that?" It was Dave. Diesel 10. Diesel 10. Oh, Diesel 10. Don't tell me. Oh, just Davy. Davy, come. Turn around. Oh, turntables. Huh? I'm a hero! Whoosh! I'm a hero! Said Davy. Hey, give me what is what? We're heroes! We're heroes! Oh, we're flying! Whoa! Stop it! Whoa, I'm winning! Oh, no you're not. Yes I am. Whoops. Uh-oh. Ah! Oh gosh. Let's be having a good time. Yeah, I know. Hey, let's make this big. I'm making a big